In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not enough storage in CapCut Upscaler. If you've tried to upscale a clip and CapCut keeps complaining about storage, it usually means the app's temporary files have piled up or the app's data needs a reset after you've safely backed up your projects. We'll walk through a clean, safe way to handle this so you don't lose your work. Start by opening your phone's settings. We're going straight to where apps keep their files, so look for the section called Apps or Applications. Different phones label it slightly differently, but it's the list that shows all your installed apps. Once you're there, scroll until you find CapCut and tap it to open the app's settings page. Next, go into storage. This is where Android shows you how much space CapCut is using for both its cache and its data. The cache is temporary stuff like thumbnails and previews. It helps the app load faster, but it's safe to remove. Data is more important. It includes your app settings, logged in account info, and in many cases, drafts or assets stored within the app. Tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your projects or change your settings. It simply wipes temporary files that can bloat over time and cause upscaling to fail. Give it a moment to finish. In many cases, clearing the cache is all you need for the upscaler to work again because it frees up the space CapCut needs to process high-resolution output. Now, before you even consider clearing data, make sure you back up your CapCut videos and drafts. This is crucial. Export any important projects to your device's gallery or a cloud drive, or use CapCut's cloud backup or sync features if available on your account. The idea is to have a safe copy of your edits and source clips outside of the app so that nothing is lost. Clearing data will reset CapCut to a fresh state, which can help stubborn storage errors, but it will remove drafts and app settings stored locally. Once your projects are backed up, you can come back to this storage screen knowing your work is safe if you choose to clear data. Remember, after clearing data, you'll likely need to sign in again and reconfigure any preferences. That's it. By clearing the cache and backing up before any data reset, you give CapCut the breathing room it needs for Upscaler to finish successfully. If you found this helpful, try your upscale again and you should notice the error is gone.